How flyovers reduce traffic congestion. Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, where we break down the engineering behind modern infrastructure. Today, we're exploring how flyovers help reduce traffic congestion. As cities grow, roads become increasingly crowded, leading to slow-moving traffic, delays, and higher fuel consumption. Flyovers, also known as overpasses, are one of the most effective solutions to separate traffic streams and improve mobility. Let's dive into how they work. What is a flyover? A flyover is an elevated road structure built to allow vehicles to pass over intersections, railway lines, or other roads. By separating traffic at different levels, flyovers reduce conflicts, minimize waiting time, and improve overall traffic flow. For example, in cities like Mumbai and Jakarta, flyovers have significantly reduced congestion at major intersections. Eliminating traffic signals and intersections. One of the biggest causes of congestion in urban areas is signalized intersections, where vehicles must stop and wait for their turn to proceed. A challenge. At busy junctions, heavy traffic from multiple directions leads to long signal cycles, increasing delays. Solution. A flyover eliminates the need for signals by allowing vehicles to pass without stopping, significantly improving travel time. In Delhi, India, the construction of multiple flyovers has reduced traffic signal delays, helping commuters reach their destinations faster. Reducing traffic bottlenecks. Flyovers are particularly useful in areas where major roads intersect or merge, causing bottlenecks and congestion. A challenge. Without a flyover, vehicles from different directions must slow down or stop to merge, creating long queues. Solution. Flyovers separate high-speed traffic from local traffic, ensuring smoother movement for both. For example, the Puxi Viaduct in Shanghai has helped streamline traffic movement in one of the busiest urban centers in the world. Increasing road capacity without expanding land use. When ground-level roads reach their capacity, adding more lanes is not always an option due to limited land availability. A challenge. Expanding roads in densely populated cities can be expensive and may require demolishing existing structures. Solution. Flyovers provide an additional level of roadway, effectively doubling road capacity without consuming extra ground space. For example, Bangkok's elevated highways have been critical in accommodating increasing traffic without expanding the road network at ground level. Improving traffic speed and reducing delays. Flyovers allow vehicles to maintain higher speeds compared to regular roads, as there are no pedestrian crossings, traffic lights, or slow-moving vehicles. A challenge. On normal roads, frequent stops and starts lead to slower speeds, fuel wastage, and increased emissions. Solution. Flyovers ensure uninterrupted traffic flow, reducing both travel time and vehicle emissions. The Gardiner Expressway in Toronto enables faster east-west travel across the city, bypassing numerous intersections, enhancing road safety and reducing accidents. Traffic congestion often leads to road accidents, especially at intersections where vehicles from different directions converge. A challenge. High traffic density and frequent lane changes increase the risk of collisions. Solution. Flyovers reduce conflict points, separating fast-moving and slow-moving traffic, which helps improve road safety. For example, in Kuala Lumpur, flyovers have played a key role in reducing accident rates at previously congested intersections. Supporting public transport and emergency vehicles. Flyovers benefit public transportation and emergency services by providing uninterrupted routes through congested areas. A challenge. Ambulances, fire trucks, and buses often get stuck in traffic, leading to delays. Solution. Dedicated flyover lanes can prioritize public transport and emergency vehicles, allowing them to move faster. For example, in Sao Paulo, express bus lanes on flyovers help reduce travel time for commuters. The future of flyovers: smart and sustainable design. With advancements in technology, modern flyovers are being designed with smart traffic management systems and sustainable materials. Smart traffic management. Flyovers are now integrated with intelligent transportation systems, ITS, to monitor and control traffic flow in real time. Sustainable materials. Engineers are exploring lightweight and durable materials, such as precast concrete and composite steel, to improve flyover longevity and reduce maintenance costs. As cities continue to expand, flyovers will remain a key element in traffic management, helping reduce congestion, improve safety, and enhance mobility. Thank you for joining us today on Blueprint to Reality. If you enjoyed this deep dive into flyovers and traffic solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things engineering. See you in the next video.